Today, I would like to show you the power of AI. What you stand to gain when you learn how to use AI, because AI is not here to take our jobs, but to make us more productive. And there is a challenge which I faced today. As you know that I'm jack of all trades, my skills cut across from web development to graphic design, among others. And today's challenge is all about graphic design. So there is this task where I had quite a huge number of images, as you can see here. These are over around 120 images, as you can see here. I don't want to show you the images, um, but as you can see, these are images. So these images, I took them using a camera. It's just a passport photo, and I wanted to use those passport photos somewhere else where I can be. I just need to remove the background and use them in a different artwork. So in this case, that is a generating student ID, something like that. So in this case, as you can see, all these images to remove background, it's quite a huge job. So um, I can either use the normal photo, Windows Photo app, which can help us to remove background, but it's not that effective. Sometimes I normally feel like it makes the image lose quality. Also, the next option is by using a software like a graphic software, like for example, Photoshop. And these, as you can imagine, if I have to edit all these images, that is 220 images, it's going to take me a lot of time, that is. The other option, I know most of you have heard about remove image, remove BG, this site. I think I did a video about this site. It's one of the sites that I normally use to remove background the easier way, and very simple. So the only option here I have is to upload one image at a time and be able to remove the image, which is going also to take almost over, if it is, I'm talking about 220, if approximately, maybe it will take me like 2 minutes to do that for each and every image. Then it means I will have to spend like 2 to 3 hours to do all those kind of stuff. But now I felt like, oh, at the end of the day, I'll need to do this. But now, how can I do it? So I thought of now writing a simple script, because as you know that I am also a web developer, and also I've got some skills in Python, especially the normal Python programs. I can write simple script for Python. I've developed a point of sale using Python, and also um, I've done some stuff using data science and machine learning, that is pandas and so forth. There is another program which I'll share with you. At least you can be able to learn how having those skills can be able can help you. So in this case, I thought of writing a script, and since ChatGPT is very easy, I just gave the GPT. Um, I gave the story to the GPT. That is my problem I shared with the GPT. So the chat GPT was able to come up with a simple script where I can use an API, that is the remove BG API, to generate to remove background from multiple images at the same times. Remember, when you're using the loop, it's going to be a little bit faster, easier, and it's going to take me less time. So this took me like 5 minutes to do that. I generate the script. So once I generate the script, I just put the script on my Python IDEL, ILE, that is a text editor. So as you can see, the script, it's creating a folder. No, it has a function here. This function accepts two inputs, that is the folder, the input folder, and the output folder, then the API key. So where the input folder is where the images are, the output folder is where, once I remove the background, it's going to be taken. Then yeah, you loop through the images, you remove the background. Once the background is removed, now it can be posted to the output folder. So this will save me time because having just that API kit can help me to do that. So after having this, so I had to come back here to the remove BG. As you can see, I created an account. Once I create account, you might need one or two, three, multiple accounts, because at the end of the day, it might not allow you um, to that is to generate several to remove background for multiple images. So as you can see, this one, I have this account, and by default I get a credit of one. I think it's one bob, something like that. Let's call it total credit. So in this case, I'll create my IP remove bg remove bg API key. I can call it like that. So once I have that, I create it like that. So I copy the API key, save, and then the API key is the one that I'm going to input here on my API key variable here, like that. Then what is going to happen is that when I execute this script, it's supposed to now get images from my folder, because the script I've saved it here. Where is the script? You'll be able to see the script. This is all photos. Then we have got the script is this one. This is the file for the script, and this is the output folder. So let me open this one. At least you can see. So this one has got 79 photos right now. So if I run the script here, it's supposed to increase the numbers, and you'll be able to monitor all that. So let me just run the script. At least you see it's going to be able to automatically remove background for all those images. So you click like this, remove background, like that. So you can see it's looking the images which are on the output folder. So these ones will be skipped. Then after that, it will start generating removing background. So in this case, it is going to take the shortest time possible to generate to remove background of at least maybe like 50, as you can see here. Where is it? When you go to credit plan here, I get free images. So 50, I just need like 3 to 4 5 accounts, and use the key for free. And at the end of the day, I'll be able to come up with uh, just images which the background, they don't have the background. So yeah, that is it. I hope you've learned something. Let's see whether it has generated any. uh, I think it's taking too long because maybe of the internet or something like that. But this is how it normally does it. So if I come to the output folder, I'm supposed to see this one was 79. So when it starts generating, it's going to give me the shortest time possible. Let me close this one and run again. I think the RAM is the one which is being utilized. So let me try, because this is sending the request to the internet. Once it sends the request, the remove BG API is going to remove the background, then send back the output. So yeah, that is it. I hope you have learned something, and maybe I can download one image from the internet and try with one, because I don't want to show the images. So just download images, passport photo with background back background. Let me just get one, because one will be easy. So this one I can go to picture. Why is it using Swahili? Actually, it's supposed to be using English. It's not because I don't like Swahili, but when it's in English, it is better. So the challenge, I think it's because I'm trying to send requests. That's why my internet is a little bit slow. But if I have one of the fastest internet, these are scripts that can take me the shortest time possible. So let me click there in image like that, or maybe copy this, save this image actually. This save as tests. tests, test, let me call it test like that. I can have like at least two will be better. So let me get this one with the blue, whatever is it. Yes, tests one. Okay, like that. Then my script, because it's running, I want to save it on a different location, the script. Let me save it on the downloads, and download I can say I will have a remove bg inside there. So this one, let me save the script there. So I just need the script to be on the same location with my images. So these are my two images. I push them inside there. Then as you can see, this is the script plus the images. So let me test using this one. So right now this is the script which is open. So let me try with this one and see whether, because those might be very many images, and so let me try remove bg, run the application. So it is testing. The first has been removed, so it is going to the next one. It has been removed and I'm done. So when I open this one, as you can see, this one doesn't have a background, but if also this one doesn't have a blue background. But if I go back, you can see this one, this is the original one, it has a background. This is also the first one, which is also having a background. So as you can see, I was able to remove backgrounds of these two images within the shortest time possible. So yeah, that's how you normally do it, and that's where my programming skills meets my graphic design skills. And in this case, I'll be able to generate uh, the remove the background for all the images within the shortest time possible. I hope you have learned something. There is another trick I'm going to share with you, so stay tuned. And if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly make sure you click the subscribe button, because we normally share most of these tech stuff here. So thank you so much. Make sure you like, share, and remember to subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next one.